Blue whales have been sighted back in Indian Ocean after a long period of time. Now, blue whales under the IUCN classification have been classified under endangered, but recently there have been sightings which have been seen near to the Seychelles. Now, Seychelles, to come out of its national depth, has protected a huge area surrounding itself, which is nearly 4 lakh square kilometers of area around the island for protecting the species and the studies related to species. Now, blue whale is one of the largest creatures which is found on earth, practically in all oceans except one, which is the Arctic Ocean. Really important. Now, blue whale sighting was not seen after the commercial whaling was done by some of the Russian and the Soviet whalers who actually illegally commercially whaled nearly 500 blue whales in the region near Seychelles. After that, there was a ban on the commercial whaling, and the researchers have been working hard to see the presence of blue whale in the Indian Ocean. So they had put some sound traps by which the sounds of these blue whales could be heard. If human beings are found close by, these sounds cannot be heard because they don't do their routine activities as they do. Now, the faint sounds of blue whales were heard in the Indian Ocean close to Seychelles, and that was mainly during the breeding period from March and April. These songs are sung by the male members of the community, and this song is for the female members of the community. Now, blue whales have been known for singing, and this is how, through the sound trap instruments, there was a detection which was done that there are presence of blue whales back in Indian Ocean, which is really an important discovery that we could cite in. So these were some of the important aspects that you need to understand, because there was a significant decline and a dip in the number of blue whales after 1900s, when commercial whaling actually started, and resuming the presence of blue whales is a remarkable way forward in this direction. So thanks for joining in. We'll be covering more such important topics in science and technology, highly important for your case studies, for your prelims as well. Thank you.